Google Veo is one of the clearest signs that AI video is moving from demo clips into the tools creators already use. Today we are looking at Google Veo, one of the most important AI video models tools to understand right now. Google has presented Veo 3 and Veo 3.1 as video generation systems inside Gemini, Flow, AI Studio and related creative products with native audio, Scene ID, watermarking and more control for developers and creators. Veo can create short, high-quality videos from prompts and images with cinematic motions, scene direction, and in newer workflows, audio-aware generation. The standout advantage is distribution. When a video model connects to Gemini, YouTube creation tools, Google Flow, and developer APIs, it can become part of a much larger creation pipeline. It is best for YouTubers, advertisers, educators, product marketers, and developers who want AI clips connected to Google's broad ecosystem. Use Gemini to develop the idea, create reference images, generate clips with Veo, assemble variations, then use editing tools to add structure, caption, spacing, and red polish. The trade-off is access and control. Powerful Google models can depend on plan level, region, product surface, and safety rules, so availability may not feel identical for every creator. Veo matters now because AI video is becoming multimodal. The mistake most people make is treating a new AI tool like a vending machine. They type one prompt, take whatever comes back, and decide the tool is either genius or useless. That is the wrong test. The right test is whether it can remove friction from a real creative or business process. So give it a task that already matters. A video outline, a client brief, a product idea, a research packet, a code feature, a campaign asset, or an internal workflow. Then look for 3 signals. Does it help you move faster? Does it help you think clearer? And does it create something you can actually revise into publishable work? The smart move is not to treat Veo like a one-click movie machine. Treat it like a visual engine inside a larger creative workflow. Plan the scene, generate the footage, edit with intention, and publish only the clips that actually serve the story. Subscribe for more AI tools creators should understand before everyone else catches up. Here is the simple way to think about it. The best AI tools are no longer isolated tricks. They are workflow multipliers. The creators who win with these will not be the ones who click, generate once, and walk away. They will be the ones who build a repeatable process, compare outputs, and keep human judgment in the loop. That means prompts should include audience, goal, constraints, examples, and the standard for a good result. It also means you should save the strongest prompts, because repeatable workflows beat random inspiration every time. For YouTube creators, the opportunity is especially practical. Faster research, faster draft, more visual options, and cleaner production planning. For teams, the opportunity is coordination. Fewer hands-offs, fewer blank page moments, and quicker movement from idea to review. But the tool is only as useful as the job you assign it. Do not ask it to be magical. Ask it to be specific. Give it the role, the task, the inputs, the output format, and the decision criteria. Then evaluate the result like a producer, not a passenger. That mindset turns AI from a toy into a system. And that is the real shift happening right now. The headline is not just better models. The headline is better workflows. Once you see it that way, the tool becomes much easier to use. You stop chasing every feature and start asking one sharper question. Where does this say real time without lowering quality? That is the question worth testing this week. Try it on one project, measure the difference, and keep the parts that actually help. That is how creators stay fast without becoming careless. That is how teams adopt AI without turning every process into an experiment. And that is why this tool belongs on your radar now. Start with one real task, measure the result honestly. Keep the workflow simple. Let your judgment stay in charge. Use AI for momentum, not autopilot. Save the prompts that actually work, then repeat the process on tower projects. That is how creators build reliable speed. The best test is usefulness under pressure. If the output improves the workflow, keep it. If it only looks impressive, move on quickly. Strong tools should reduce friction without lowering standards. Your taste, timing, and verification still matter most. Use the speed for exploration, then slow down for decisions. A smarter stack is built one reliable workflow at a time. The goal is not more AI noise. The goal is better work. Bye bye.